Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another DIY crochet curls. If you are new here, I'm AngugoSharon. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. So guys, I'm just going to be showing you step by step how to make these crochet braids. So guys, as you can see, I already started making these crochet braids, but I'm just going to show you a clear tutorial how I made them. You don't have to worry about that. So first I tied a string around my door right there. So you can tie a string on two ends, provided it works for you. And then all I'm going to do, I used some straight braiding here that I already used, but you can also use your new braiding here. But I used braiding here that I already used, but it worked really well. So all I'm going to do is to loop the braids as shown in the video. I'm just going to pass my braids over my hand as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do is to pull that long part of the braiding here to make something like a knot right there. If you've been watching my videos, this is not the first time that I've done this. So as you can see, I'm holding a straw right there. You can use whichever straw that you have that works well for you. With me, I used a transparent straw, I'm sorry, that I'm holding right there. So guys, all I'm going to do is to bend my straw to form two pieces as shown in the video, and then I'm going to pass it over so that one side becomes this other side of the string, and then the other side becomes, I really don't know if you can understand what I'm saying, but I hope you saw what I did right there. And then all I'm going to do is to run my braiding hair around my straw, and when it reaches that point that our straw is almost over, I'm just going to push back the braiding hair that we rolled to create space, and then all I'm going to do is to continue rolling my braiding hair until it's over. So guys, as you can see, you have to tie the hands so that it doesn't roll back or doesn't unravel. I don't know if that's the word for it, but I'm just going to show you clearly. As you can see, that rolled back. I'm just fixing it now. So I'm just going to roll it back, and then I'm going to tie the hands with that string that I'm holding right there. So yeah, that's what I did in this video. So guys, I'll leave you to watch what I've been explaining in the video, so you can understand clearly what I've been doing, guys. So I'll leave you to watch that, and I'll be right back. I turned off my camera for a while and did the lower row, and I also did the row that we are working on right now, some of it. So if in case you are using some braiding hair that you already used, you have to untangle it. As you can see, I'm just brushing, my braiding hair to remove the knots in case there are any knots in it, so our crochet braids can look neater. So guys, I left 4 to 5 braids so I can show you again what I've been doing in this video. So guys, in this video I'm not going to rush it because people have been complaining about me rushing my videos around and around. So I'll leave you to watch me do that, and I'll be right back. guys, right now I'm just working on our last braiding hair. So guys, this braiding hair that I already used it on some of my jumbo box braids, but I didn't have the jumbo box braids on for a long time, so I kept my braiding hair in case I needed them for anything else. So as you can see guys, our crochet braids turned out really good guys. As you can see, I'm so happy with what I did. I don't know if you can see what I did there, you too. So I'm just going to show you clearly how our crochet braids looks. Even the lower row looks really good. So guys, I'll leave you to see clearly how our crochet braids look, and I'll be right back. Moving on, I'm now just going to add my braids on a basin, and then I'm going to add my hot water on them, and then all I'm going to do is to make sure my braids are inside that water. They are submerged. I don't know if that's the correct word for it, but I'm going to make sure my braids are really inside that hot water, so that the curls can come out looking really good. So guys, I'm sorry about that. You have to make sure your braids are inside that water really good. My voice is almost getting lost, but you have to do that part of the video. So I'll leave you to watch me for a while, and I'll be right back. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. You can also follow me on my Instagram page. I have a link. The link is on my about. You can just go and check it out. So all I'm going to do is to let the braids sit on that hot water for a while, and then I'm going to remove them and hang them out. I've tried this crochet extension in several videos. It turned out really good. See you in my next video. Bye.